some I haven't seen in a long time. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. How are you all doing today? That's good to hear. I hope y'all are doing just fine. But today we have a little bit of stuff to do. I'm actually wearing my grubby clothes because first things first, we have to service Elly. Now, because it's starting to get so nice, we can get back to the gravel roots of this channel and actually do it outside. But first we have to go get some ramps from my buddy at his shop, so we're gonna go do that right now, and then yeah, we'll put Elly up on ramps, get the oil changed, and then I got a couple other things in store for you guys today, and I hope you all enjoy. Of course, what kind of YouTuber would I be if I didn't include a cold start of Elly? That exhaust leak has gotten worse, but it sounds so good. There we are now, y'all. We got the ramps and stuff, but Elly's not nearly warm enough to change his oil yet. We need to change that. So we're just gonna do a little highway pull. I'm gonna show you just how good he started to sound over the years. And never mind the squeaking, that's the springs and the tie rod ends I need to grease them. Really good, like really good. I'm really happy with the way Elly sounds. I can't wait until I put a custom exhaust on him. And I'm not gonna go with like an MBRP or, you know, one of those like, I guess, bolt-on, I guess you could call it exhaust, like where it just replaces the stock system completely. No, I think I'm gonna like cut it off right after the cats and the O2 sensors and then just dump it out the sides. No mufflers, fuck it. The cats actually do a really good job of keeping this truck quiet anyways, so. Alright guys, I gotta set up the ramps and get Elly up onto the ramp, so you guys just chill out here with Coop for a minute. Alright everybody, so everything you should need for an oil change on an OBS Chevy. A 1218 type filter. Now this filter only works for the two-wheel drives. The four-wheel drives actually have a narrower filter. I believe that's a PF450 from Delco. 5.7 liters of 5W30. Because the nice thing about GM is, whatever your engine displacement is, that's pretty much the oil you put in it. Mostly for the V8s at least. Like this one, it's a 5.7 liter. It takes 5.7 liters of oil. That's a 6 liter. It takes 6 liters of oil. A 7.4 liter 454 will take 7.5 liters of oil. So it's nice and easy math. Scale is really easy. But yeah, you'll need pan. I'm using a map because it's kind of muddy. If you're like me and you like to record, you need your GoPro equipment. Filter wrench of some sort or filter pliers. 15 or a 9/16 millimeter for the drain plug. I'm not sure which one this is, so that's what I'm doing. But then yeah, it's everything you need. It all fits on the hood of a square body. It's that easy. Alright everybody, now that we're all done the service, just gotta drop all the stuff I borrowed back off at my buddy's place, and then we'll get on with the rest of today's content. Cool stuff coming up. You should stay tuned. Brisk. That's how I test. Alright, now that we got that done, we gotta go grab some fuel because Elly's a thirsty hoe, man. He keeps chugging that stuff. Both ways. Ooh, yeah, I need to grease the tie rods and such. Really bad. Alright. But let's get on the road, my friends. This thing is gonna bankrupt me. Elly's all cleaned up. Well, it's not like a hand clean, but you know what? It's a work truck and a daily driver. It just needs to be pressure washed. And yeah, we can see there's some pretty significant rust forming. You can hear the freaking crunch. But yeah, the truck's got nearly 400,000 on it. It's like 364, 363 on it right now. But you know what? Looking like this is way better than before. Now, with Elly, my ultimate plan is to, you know, change out the doors, take the body right off frame, clean the frame, get it all rock guarded and everything, and then do rock guard on the bottom here and a bunch of other things, just to make it so that the truck will look good and be really durable so that it doesn't rust as bad anymore. I'll probably have to actually just get a completely new box or cut these fenders off and put new fenders on the box, like the outer box sides. Now, when I was cleaning, you guys probably noticed I got new floor mats for Elly. Yeah, some old stock GM floor mats for the truck. I just think Elly looks really good clean, way better clean. And all those like black little dots, actually a couple of them stayed even with the pressure wash. But those black little dots are actually, because Elly sat under a tree for so long, that sap that got on Elly, and then dirt and stuff got caught in it. And yeah, of course, Elly's already freaking dirty again. But he's cleaner than he used to be. He probably won't be clean for long though, because we got to go on Highway 16 to meet my buddy Cade in Lloyd. And then we're going to be doing some cool stuff with some drones. So you guys will see that in a little bit. Probably only a couple of seconds. But it'll take me about a half hour to get to Lloyd. guys, that little bit of footage and clips that I just put together there, that's going to be the new intro. And you may have noticed it's not Redneck Enterprise, it's Gravel Road Garage now. And that's because although Redneck Enterprise, I am redneck, I love the name, it's kind of not friendly because a lot of people view redneck as bad, you know? And I didn't want people to think my channel was bad, so I wanted to change that. And enterprise usually means like a group of people, and it's like usually like 99% of the time just me and maybe one other person. So I figured we'll call it Gravel Road Garage. Now you might be wondering, what am I going to do with the Gravel Road Garage, you know, type of thing? Like that, it was kind of a show on Redneck Enterprise before. Now it's just going to be the overarching channel, and each truck is going to have its own build series playlist. You'll see the YouTube page has been reformatted for that, and there will be one for like updates and stuff, and there will still be showstoppers. That will still be a thing. And when we go out doing range stuff with guns, which now that's warmer, we'll start doing. Again, that's going to be on its own separate thing. So the content isn't really going to be changing. The way the content is named and organized on the channel really will be what's changing. But overall, either way, I hope you guys all had an excellent, excellent day. And I hope to see you in the next video. And I hope to see another subscriber and another like on one of my videos, thanks to this viewer right now. I love you all 16 or 17 of you currently. And I will see you all later.